Welcome to St. Joseph's Cathedral in Abu Dhabi. Welcome to celebrate Simbang Gabi with us. This extraordinary novena in preparation for Holy Christmas, which our Filipino faithful live truly with that exemplary fidelity and commitment every year. They are a precious witness for all our faithful. Your Eminence, we are truly happy to welcome you this evening. Our Filipino faithful have been waiting for this moment for many years. This year, a great dream, a great desire comes true to finally have you with us for Simbang Gabi. Your Eminence, you are well known and loved by our Filipino faithful, and not only by them. We all appreciate your ability to speak about Jesus, the heart of every man and woman, with simplicity and depth. We all feel your spiritual guidance, your fatherly love, full of sweetness and wisdom, so precious. As a pro-prefect of the Dicastery for Evangelization, section for First Evangelization and New Churches, you are for all of us that our common prayers this evening will bear abundant spiritual fruit in preparation for Holy Christmas. And once again, Your Eminence, Mabuhay!
honored with the presence of our dear Apostolic Nuncio and our Ambassador. No? Salamat po. How many days ang simbang gabi? Ilang araw ang simbang gabi?
9 days.
9. Wow, talaga. Pwede nyo bang Tagalogin yun?
Siyam na araw.
Ba't kayo sumisigaw? Okay, bakit 9? Bakit siyam? Yan, ha? Natuto kayo, ha? Yan. Mary bore Jesus in her womb for 9 months.
Yes.
So 9 days. So every day is equivalent to 1. Very eager siya. Good, no? So, no, we accompany Mary and Jesus in her womb. Kasama natin si Maria at si Jesus. No po. Kaya, dapat buuin ang yan. Kung hindi, pwede bang ipanganak? Kawawa naman kung 5 months lang. Kawawa naman kung kulang. No? Kung kaya naman buuin, na po, 9 months or 9 days, 9 months. No? So this is not just parang a ritual, no? It is a spirituality. No? Sumasabay tayo sa mahal na ina. Yung simbang gabi ay votive mass in honor of the Blessed Mother. So we accompany her, who accompanies us beyond 9 months, 9 days. Lagi tayong kasama ng mahal na ina, dinadala niya sa atin si Jesus, edi samahan din natin siya. How do we prepare for the coming of the Lord? Paano ba ang paghahanda sa pagdating ni Jesus? I'm sure, part of the preparation that many of us are already engaging in ay, let us look for discounts so that we can do shopping, no? At hindi masyadong mababawasan ang bonus. Kung may bonus. Some prepare that way. O yung iba naman, they prepare for Christmas by checking the different offers. Where can I go for vacation? Saan ba may discounted rates? No? Saan ba mas mura ang hotel o mura ang flights? No? And being Filipinos, sigurado yan, our thinking, preparation is, ano ang kakainin sa Noche Buena? Ano ang kakainin sa almusal? Ano nga pala ang mimeriendahin? Ano kaya ang tatanghalianin? No? Pagkain, no? Which is good, no? Because it is not just food, but a gathering. Please continue your preparation. But when we look at Mary, Joseph, they were the original figures in the original Advent and Christmas. How did they prepare? Mary was unprepared. Joseph was unprepared. In fact, the relationship was about to be broken.